All right, so guys, if you are able to get a TikTok shop, you're gonna want to request samples. All right, we got another, you can see, headphones. So let's unpack these headphones. I wish I got these for my trip to Atlanta, but guess believe I'm gonna be wearing these for the airplane ride to Miami. My daughter's telling me she's about to disrupt the peace. These blue. Let me see something. Power off. Power on. It's already pairing to my phone. Where is my phone? My phone is recording us. Duh. Okay. How they look? You like them?
Yeah.
Yeah, they look nice. Headphones. What'd you say? I couldn't hear you. Mommy couldn't hear you. They have like these little charger things on the bottom. Okay. I mean, and then these go sideways to make them flat. What'd you say? I can't hear you. You want cookies? You want juice?
Cookie juice.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. I think these are pretty cool. I love the color. I love the blue. I'm gonna have to see how they sound once I come off my phone. Best way I'm gonna be wearing these for the headphones for my next trip. Okay. Check out my TikTok shop.